Hi everyone, I'm so happy today. You can see behind me, this is a Handara gate. It's one of the famous gate in Bali, which all the people you can see behind me, they are waiting for the photograph just to click 4 pictures per person. It's very very important whenever you come to Bali to visit this gate, and it's so beautiful, and I wish you all the very best that one day you also can come and visit and see this beautiful gate in Bali. Handara gate kalau long ke way na ki jaka kaba pawnam hadu kata-kata kabadan hapo Bali. Arangi page aki digisngi ko pamenta kamtang hapo Instagram, Facebook, nangta Twitter, but hagi social media platform kani ka Handara gate kala de ka way na ki jaka kaba kring shisha yaki nang wan tungo kai perthai but kamtam yaki couples di boy hapo Bali kinnum lek ani kinum wan phai klem na yo ban yo kjat agani ka gate na wat ka don ye ka jing itna ka bulang kaya jan pha bat kamang ya